Welcome to Rebelgrounded breaking news.
As of this midnight, South African must be at the lookout of the following as per the meeting and the PICC report. The following roads will be closed/barricaded from midnight on March 20th in Soweto. Koma Road, Vundla Drive, Hani Road, N12 Lenasia Off Ramps, Soweto Highway, Golden Highway, Impala Road. Areas likely to be adversely impacted: Alexandra, Diepsloot, ANC Headquarters, Marshalltown, Office of the Premier, Hillbrow, Yeoville, Jeppestown, Malvern, Newtown, Braamfontein, Wynberg, Lenasia, Roodepoort, Orange Farm and surrounding areas, Johannesburg City Centre, Auckland Park SABC, Sunninghill, Eskom's Megawatt Park, Sandton, economic hub of the country, mainly Johannesburg Stock Exchange, JSE. It is anticipated that the following hotspots road/street may be targeted on the mentioned day. N12 from Eldorado Park to Freedom Park Moroka Bypass. N1 from Freedom Park Moroka Bypass to Naturina. Corner R553 and R554 Provincial Road at Leahy. Golden Highway, R553, from Eldorado Estate to Devland. Orlando East from corner Nicholas Street and Hani Road, Diepsloot. Hillbrow from Moroka Street to Mbangisa Street, Yeoville. Hani Road from Komati Street to Sabesa Street, Yeoville. Impala Road, R558, from Protea BLVD to Wild Chestnut Street, Protea Glen. Corner Rev Frederick South Modis and Ondendale Street in Meadowlands. From Mabasotho Street to Modis Street, Meadowlands. Corner Soweto Highway in Nobanda Street, Mzimlof. Corner Mookie Street in Main Road, Norjesik. N14 Highway. R511. N17, N12, N1. Maponia Mall will be targeted due to Mlamla Lux's attachment. Information received indicates that the initial barricading will be done by 3 people in the early hours of March 20th, 2023. Alexandra. Operation Dudula, Alexandra, planned to safeguard all malls around Alexandra from looting amid the planned national shutdown. They plan to be at the Alex and Pan Africa malls from the early hours on March 20th, 2023.